After 10 years of faithful service, my FocusRite Scarlett 2i2 has died. After a storm, it kind of just went out. So I bought the FocusRite Scarlett 2i2 4th generation. There's supposed to be quite a few updates with this. I'm gonna unbox it and then we're gonna set it up and we're gonna check it out. Two 4th generation mic inputs, HZ instrument inputs, auto gain with clip safe, next generation conversion, redesigned professional grade converters, deliver up to 120 dB measured dynamic range, re-engineered air mode, newly enhanced air brings you console sound anywhere, powerful outputs, ultra-low distortion design for our purest playback with any headphones, and they include a complete suite of legendary tools to bring your music to life. Open it up. The difference in the size with the newer ones versus the older ones from 10 years ago, there's a pretty big difference. Even with the 2i2, it was like almost half the size. So I like that, and I didn't need all the outputs. I really only needed 2 outputs, guitar and voice. Okay, here it is. You've got a USB-C to USB, and it takes the USB-C, which is good. Here are your volume inputs, guitar inputs, 48 volt, instrument, air, safe, auto. You got your output volumes, direct, headphone, 5 volt DC right there. You've got 2 outputs right there and 2 inputs, XLR Neutrex right there. We're gonna try and hook it up to an iPad Pro and see how that works. I've got a USB hub just in case it wants to give me some problems. A USB-C cord. Gonna plug it in with this. Give it power right there. And you can see it's on. So let me connect it to the iPad and see if the iPad powers it. Plug this in right there. There we go, it does power it with just the iPad. Yay, connected to a pair of headphones, other device. So it works perfectly. We'll go ahead and do a demonstration. Got my trusty little guitar here. We'll just play a couple chords. Plug in a mic. Let's see, microphone, let me put it in input 1. It has the older XLR, but they're Neutrex, so they're really, really good. Headphones there. Guitar 2. Right there. Okay. I've got volume. Let me see, volume. Test, test. And the volume does show up for the microphone. Let me get a program. We might be able to hear everything. GarageBand. Let me start with a new project. And let's put in a nice clean guitar amp. Audio device connected. Good. Turn on monitoring. Yes. Let me make sure the hookups are right. Input 2. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Instrument. Okay, I don't see anything coming through here. Monitor on. Okay, we can see the 4 outputs. So that's working. Make sure everything's turned up. Okay, now I can hear. Monitor on, and we want to make sure we have the right input. Channel 1 for the vocals, yes. Okay, test, test, we're good. Test, 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 testing, good. I don't want an echo, so testing right here. Let me turn off the, there we go. Okay, and let's go ahead and just do a few tracks. 2, 3, 4. Rewind that and let's see. Looks good. It works perfectly. I'm very happy with my Scarlett 2i2, and I like it as much as I did the 18i8. I think with FocusRite, you can't go wrong. It's real quality gear, and it's at a good price point. On this version, it's got the 32-bit recording. It's got the automatic volume. The compressors have been enhanced. There's quite a few updates on this one. Go out and get yourself a FocusRite 2i2 or any of the FocusRite. I'll have the links in the description. That's what I have for this week. Take care. Have a great day, and I will see you next week.